Hello guys, learn some colors. Brown color, blue color, violet color, light green color, white color, green color, yellow color, sky blue color, pink color, orange color, red color, black color, sea green color, red color, A, blue color, B, pink color, C, black color, D, light green color, orange color, F, sea green color, G, yellow color, H, brown color, violet color, J, green color, K, light pink color, L, red color, M, pink color, N, brown color, O, violet color, P, start the capital and small alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O and P. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.